Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. As you all know, my Can-Am has a light bar. What you might not know is that light bar flickers a lot whenever I hit any bump. And as you know, ATVs are made for off-roading, so that means my light bar is constantly flashing on and off while I'm driving, which is really annoying both for me, but especially for people in front of me. But hopefully today we will be fixing that. Most of the time when these type of issues happen, it's because the ground wire isn't really grounded very well. So in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out where that ground wire touches the chassis and cleaning up the actual little ground wire itself to hopefully fix this problem. As you can see, it went pretty smoothly, and I tried to test it, but I really couldn't get it to flicker earlier before starting this work on it that much, so there was no way I was going to get it to flicker now. The only real way I'll be able to test it is by driving it off-road at night. So until then, we won't know if it worked. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.